Hello friends, welcome to Greta Talks. Today I will tell you about Ashoka rock edicts at Kalsi, which is a timeless message of peace and humanity. Nestled in the Dehradun district of Uttarakhand near the confluence of the Yamuna and Tons rivers lies one of India's most remarkable historical treasures, the Ashoka rock edicts at Kalsi. Located about 44 kilometers from Dehradun, this ancient monument from the Mauryan period continues to inspire visitors with its powerful message of peace, compassion, and moral living. Carved on a large quartz rock around 250 BCE, the inscriptions were created by Emperor Ashoka, one of the greatest rulers in Indian history. It is written in the Prakrit or Pali language using the Brahmi script. The monument is now protected by the Archaeological Survey of India, that is ASI. Emperor Ashoka ruled India from 272 BCE to 232 BCE. In the early years of his reign, he expanded his empire through wars. However, the devastating Kalinga War changed his life completely. Deeply moved by the suffering, death, and destruction caused by the war, Ashoka gave up violence and dedicated himself to the welfare of humanity and animals. He embraced the path of Dharma, which meant righteous and moral living, and began spreading messages of kindness, tolerance, peace, and compassion throughout his empire. These teachings were engraved on rocks and pillars across different regions, and the Kalsi inscription is among the most significant of them. The Kalsi Rock Edict is historically important because it contains all 14 major rock edicts of Ashoka and is the only major Ashokan rock edict found in North India. Through these inscriptions, Ashoka shared his vision of an ideal society based on moral values and public welfare. He ordered that no living being should be unnecessarily killed or sacrificed. He arranged medical treatment for both humans and animals and encouraged the planting of trees and digging of wells along roads for the benefit of travelers and cattle. Ashoka also appointed special officers known as Dharma Mahamatras to spread moral teachings and care for the welfare of people even in distant border regions. He instructed his officials to guide people towards good conduct, such as respecting parents and elders, being kind to relatives and friends, helping monks and priests, and treating animals gently. According to Ashoka, true dharma was not limited to rituals but was reflected in everyday actions of kindness, honesty, self control, and compassion. One of the most progressive ideas found in the edicts is Ashoka's respect for all religions. He believed that people should never insult other faiths or praise only their own religion. Instead, all religions should live together peacefully with mutual respect and understanding. Ashoka also replaced royal hunting tours with tours of Dharma, during which he met holy men, helped the poor, and spread moral teachings among the people. The 13th edict is especially famous because it describes Ashoka's sorrow after the Kalinga War and his decision to follow the path of peace instead of military conquest. It also mentions Greek rulers such as Antiochus, Ptolemy, Antigonus, Magus, and Alexander, showing that Ashoka was aware of kingdoms beyond India and maintained contact with foreign regions. Another interesting feature of the Kalsi site is the carved figure of an elephant near the inscription, which is considered as a symbol of Lord Buddha and the spread of Buddhism. The inscription itself was rediscovered during British rule in the 19th century and has since become an important source for understanding ancient Indian history, administration, religion, and early writing systems.
Hi guys.
We are going to see Ashokan edicts. We are going to decode the Brahmi script written on the rocks, on the scriptures. We are doing a vlog. Hi Abha. गणपती सारखं नाही, त्याला सोंड आहे बघा तशी. आणि हा कोण आहे बघ बरं, हा ब्रह्म.
So, friends, today the Ashoka Rock Edicts at Kalsi stand not only as a historical monument but also as a timeless reminder of humanity, peace, tolerance, and ethical living. Even after more than 2000 years, Ashoka's teachings continue to inspire people to live with compassion, harmony, and respect for all forms of life. A visit to this remarkable site offers tourists a unique opportunity to connect with India's rich cultural heritage and experience the enduring message of peace left behind by Emperor Ashoka. So, isn't it necessary for every history lover and traveler to visit Kalsi to witness this priceless treasure of ancient India? Thank you.